a business or as an individual, you have two career paths. One, which is basically people-oriented, you develop people skills, that you are able to connect two businesses who don't speak the same language. Like, for example, a manufacturer in China with a bank in Brazil. You need, in this case, people skills, communication skills, and you need to have strong relationships all over the world. And then you can be a successful businessman. Now, if you focus on what changes, then remember this, it's very important that you innovate, that you don't copy. And make sure that you take the maximum money of whatever you innovate within very, very short time. 6 months, 1 year, 2 years maximum. And in this case, you have to be like a very specific scientist.